Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video, it is the last video about the table chapter. I will show you how to design your own table, step by step. You see, it's very easy, not complicated, don't worry, but we'll do it with a simple way. So, for this, what I will do, I will try to create something like this. We do it, we try. Okay, so here is our slide. The first thing that I will insert the rectangle, so shape, and I will choose a rounded rectangle, like this. Okay, but the round, it's very big, so I will use them, no problem. You see how to use it, like this, for example. Good. Now, I will choose another color for this shape. So I will choose something that is very dark, like this one. Now what I will do, I will open my Excel file and I will go to my table. I will copy this table. Okay, and here remember what you will use to design the table, past, and I will choose the text. Good. It is good. Now, before to continue, I will change the color of the text. So where is the color? I will do it like white to see it more readable. Very good. Let's continue with our shape. In the shape, I will add it. For example, I will go to the shape effect. I can add a shadow. Okay, but I will not use this one or this one. Like directly from here, shadow option. And here, I can increase the transparency to see the shadow. We try to see it. Do you see it here? Yeah, how many? I don't know. Maybe it will be like this. No, very big. That's it. Like 50. We try 50%. Good. The size I can do like this one, and I will increase the blur to see it very well, like this. Do you see? Look in the border, from the border. What is that? What is the change? Like this. I did like this. But also, maybe the angle I can let it, no problem, and the distance maybe 10 point, maybe 10 point. Good. Now it looks well. I have copied my data from Excel file. Not why I don't need here. I don't need this first line. Excel, I don't need it. How to remove it? I copy. I go to here. After this, what we'll do, remember. What we'll do, remember. I forgot. What we can do from here. So let's do it. Just delete directly from your keyboard. So simple. But if you have table, you can go from the layout and you delete it as you want. Okay? So we will not use the text. Let's use the second way. Let's remove the table. Let's make copy paste, simple copy paste. To use second way, so I will increase this one. Like this, and now I will change the background, yeah, but how to delete this line? I will not delete it by the keyboard. Is to show you the second way, yeah. That's why I have deleted the previous one. So I will go to the layout, and here, so I will select this line, delete, and delete rows. Here is what I want to show you from the layout. It is another way. So let's change, we will use disable, let's change the background, the tab design, shading, and I will use the same color like this one. Okay? Of course, so we change the text, the color of the text to the white. And also, what we can do, we will center our value. So select all and go to the to center layout. Have center value and also center in the table. Now it looks well. So let's increase the resolution of the table. What we can do also to make our design very pretty. What we can do, maybe we change this this font. So go to the home. I don't like Calibri. So let's change the font. Put, for example, Aroni. I like it, yeah. And now I will increase the size of the font for the first column and the first line. Okay, like this one. And here I have how many? 16. Okay, and here 16. Maybe also about the value. I think it's very put 13 like this. Okay. The next step, I don't need to get to have the border in my table. So select your table and go to the table design, border, and now borders. Good. It's beginning to as you can see, it's now clean. Table start to be clean. What we can do also, yeah, we can change the style of the, for example, the first column. So I will select the first column, and here I will choose the black. But it is, as you can see, it's full black. So I will change the transparency of this black. Go to the format shape and put it, I don't know how many, what we want here, how many, tac. Let's see. No, it's always full. What is the good value? Maybe 45. More default. Let's see for 45 if it's good or no. No, I think it will be near like this. Let's see. Yeah, now I think it looks good. What we can do also, here I will use some trick. I will add an overlay to my table. So to do this, I will copy this shape, copy paste, and I put it in the same place. Okay, it is the first thing. Now I will go to the gradient fill, and here I delete this two. I just need 2 points, and I will choose the color white for the first. And for the second, the same thing. I will choose the white color. You will see why, huh? Okay. Now, for the first color, I will make the transparency maybe 60. No, I put 75 like this. No, what I have choose, not position. I talk about transparency. 60. No. 75, good. And for the second, I will choose 100. Okay, it is to make the overlay. Now, I think I will change direction. I don't need it like this. So what we will choose? Put it not from here. Like this, I think, yeah. And direction we see like this, yeah, like this. Now I will edit. I will reduce the size of this shape like this to make it more pretty, the table. Okay, and maybe I will increase like this, and I will make edit point in the table. So edit point, where is it? Where is my edit point? Where is my edit point? Yeah, here. I think I will remove this one. No, not this one, sorry. This one. Delete this one, yeah. And I will put this one from here. Okay. The same thing from here. I will delete this one. And I'm trying to put it up the same line. It's very important. And for this, try to put it with direct line. And let's see this. Do you see? It's straight or no? I think the line now is straight. And I think here is our table with pretty design. I hope you like it. I hope you like this design. I just added overlay in my table by this trick. I have added the same shape, and I play with gradient and with edit point. It is an inspiration, of course. It is an inspiration. You can do what you want. You have it is about your inspiration. Not each one have his own inspiration. Okay. You can, if you want to make the same thing, make the same thing, or show me what you can do. Show me for your own design. So here, if you need, for example, you can also change the like this. For example, you can change this color as the previous one, like this. For example, to more pretty. You have really a lot of choice to make what you want. So let's come back like this, and here is my final table with my own design. Remember, you must practice to get what you want. Practice, and this chapter about the table was finished. Now we start a new chapter, inshallah, a new thing. I will show you what is this new chapter. Don't worry, just stay with us, inshallah. So subscribe to my channel, Faisal Azib. Like the video, share it with your friends. Follow me on Instagram for the motivational quote, business quote, etc. It is in teams.winners. And if you want to get design, graphic, travel, food idea, go to the faisal.checo. And if you have Telegram, Learn, Practice and Share, Facebook, Learn, Practice and Share page, Twitter, teams.winners, all this one you found them in the website and also in the description of the video. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.